Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we explore the difference between few and a few. Few means almost none or a very small number. A few means some or a small but positive number. This distinction helps you express quantity clearly with countable nouns. Few emphasizes almost none or a negative meaning. A few means some and carries a positive meaning. Knowing this difference is important when talking about countable things to show whether the amount is good enough or scarce. Few suggests almost none, often with a feeling of disappointment. A few suggests a small number, giving a more positive or hopeful feeling. This subtle difference changes how the sentence feels. For example, few students understood the topic means very few students did, which is negative. A few students asked questions means some students did, which is positive and enough. Use few with plural countable nouns to show shortage or scarcity. Use a few with plural countable nouns when you want to indicate some, a small but sufficient amount. The difference lies in the tone and meaning. Few people came means not many people came, which is negative. A few people came means some people came, which is positive. This helps you express your thoughts more clearly. Both few and a few are used only with countable plural nouns, like books, friends, or cars. They are not used with uncountable nouns like water or money. For uncountable nouns, use little or a little instead. To summarize, few means almost none and has a negative feeling. A few means some, a small positive number. Few friends visited is negative. A few friends visited is positive. Understanding this difference will improve your English expression.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.